Dear customer, we are a professional factory for all kinds of acrylic, crystal trophy, crystal award, plaque, and many other metal, crystal gift for different events. The trophy is usually made by K9 crystal. The top can be made by resin and crystal too. We can engrave logo with color and print by UV printing machine. Each products will be packed by gift box for safe. We can ship our products by sea or air through DHL, UPS, FedEx, and many other agent. Please send email to me if you have any such inquiry. Please see my WhatsApp number in the video. Any inquiry will be replied promptly. Thank you.